You are not watching a video. You are watching yourself in time. And in the next 4 minutes, you will see something most people avoid their entire life. The truth of how fast everything changes. Age 0. You are nothing and everything at the same time. No identity, no memory, just survival. A brain firing at full speed, trying to understand a world it has never seen before. You are not weak. You are unfinished. Age 5. You are dangerous now. Not to others, but to reality. Because you believe anything is possible. You run without thinking. You laugh without reason. You learn faster than you will ever learn again in your life. Age 10. The world starts shaping you, not you shaping it. Rules appear, limits appear. Words like no start becoming common, but inside, you still think you can do anything. That contradiction is where childhood ends. Age 15. Now it gets unstable. Emotions are no longer quiet. They are loud, unpredictable, extreme. You care too much. About everything. About nothing. And you still don't understand why. This is the first time you feel trapped inside your own mind. Age 20. Speed, energy, risk. You feel like the main character of reality. Sleep is optional. Failure is temporary. Time feels slow because you think it will never end. But this is the peak illusion. This is where the fall has not started yet. Age 30. The shift happens quietly. No warning, no announcement. One day you just notice. You recover slower. You think more. Act less. Life becomes scheduled, not lived. And suddenly, time starts becoming visible. Age 40. You stop chasing everything. Not because you won, but because you understand the cost. Energy is limited now, and priorities become sharper. You don't want more. You want less, but real. Age 50. You become the observer. You start seeing patterns in people. You understand decisions before they happen. But your body no longer listens like before. Strength is replaced by wisdom. Speed is replaced by control. Age 60. Silence becomes normal. Not empty silence. Heavy silence. The kind where memories speak louder than people. The past is no longer behind you. It is inside you. Age 70. Now listen carefully. This is not the end. This is the result. A life measured not in years, but in moments you actually lived. And here is what nobody tells you. You never notice the last time. The last time you run fast. The last time you feel unlimited energy. The last time you truly feel young. It all disappears without warning. So the question is not how long you live. The question is, at which age did you stop really living? Because the timeline is not waiting. It is already moving. Right now.